What up? It's the weekend! It is August 29th, and today is Michael Jackson's birthday, so I don't know how old would be, but I think he would be, I don't know, he died at 50 in 2009, so that was 11 years ago. I don't know, actually. John McCain's birthday is also today, so he would have been, I hope that he would still be alive. I think he would have been 83 today if he was still alive. So a lot of good birthdays. Well, yesterday, our very good friend Declan Cambridge just had a birthday, and he turned 8. So he's coming over today, and he wants to spend some time with us for his belated birthday. So we're going to celebrate his belated birthday. Yeah, we're just hanging out. Apparently I got a call from the kids' teachers from their classrooms today that first day of school is happening on Wednesday. So Wednesday they're starting first day of school. It's just not, yes, so there's going to be a staggered schedule, just like my school. So half of my kids are going to go on Wednesday, well, obviously all my kids, and then Thursday they get to the other half, and then everyone gets to go on Friday, so life of 15 kids, almost 16, so it's so serious. Like, you never even know what's happening to us. Right now I'm watching Clintus TV. If you guys want to check out Clintus TV, I'll leave it up to the iCard. So Clintus TV is a really good channel. I didn't even know why that I pressed the phone, but so I'll change it in a sec. There, I change it in a sec. So I think I got one notification on Instagram. That's probably Maddie or something. So yeah. All right, everyone. We're upstairs. We're here with Rock. Hello. Say hi to the camera. Oh, I dropped. Oh, bell down. Here she is. Hello. Hi, Rock. Hello. Yeah, it has been a lazy day for us. We just have been lazy all around, everywhere. Just have been lazy today. It's gloomy out, and yeah, it's just gloomy. Rocker is also here. Say hello, Rocker. Hi. Hello, Rock. Hi. Well, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It's raining. I think it has been like this when I was in the basement watching Clintus TV. So yeah, so you can see the rain on top. So yeah. Alright, so less than 24 hours. It's gonna be on the Zoom Sunday. So I'm pretty excited about that. There was a dramatic time with Nana. She had to have to rush to the hospital for, I don't really want to tell it to you guys because it may be a little sensitive, so she just had to, she was in the hospital for like Thursday and Friday, and she came home today, so she's doing well, she's exhausted, and she's doing really good. Papa has been taking care of Nana and Papa's house, so yeah. So that is really what's happening with me. It has been sensitive for the last 2 days, but I was a little bit better yesterday, so yeah. And here's the telescope. Can you see anything, you guys? Oh, I think I see a function. Oh, can you guys see something? So this little dude is getting so excited. Why are you getting excited? Because tonight is my hockey meeting. Your hockey meeting? Yeah. So they get, so are they gonna, do when you're gonna play? Yes. And, what number are you gonna be? They're gonna do the numbers today. Today? Yeah. And then they'll do a last name in a couple of weeks. Oh, okay. Yeah. You ready to go, buddy? Yeah. All right, let's go. Scott and Anderson are all ready to go to their hockey meetings. Yeah. Anderson gets to find out what his number is going to be. And Scott is going to find out when he's going to play again. So is Anderson. Yeah. So I heard you guys are doing book reports? Yes. Yeah. I'm going to do a British Columbia one. And I'm going to be reading a kid's book. It's for the it's for the book report. So we're doing facts about British Columbia for the first day of school. Nice, Scott. What about you, Anderson? I'm not pretty sure yet. Oh, let me read the email from your teacher again, okay? Okay. So, these boys are all ready to go. Yeah. All right, and I'm on the way there. I got their books. Scott is reading the facts about British Columbia, and he's doing a book report on that. Anderson is doing the book report about The Lion King. So he's gonna be reading the book, and then he's gonna be all three of the books, and then he's gonna watch the movie when he is back at school. Yeah. Scott, how many pages are you gonna read? Well, my teacher said I have to read 3 pages every day. Okay, and Anderson? Yeah, same for mine too. Okay, you guys, okay boys, are you ready? Yeah, all right, let's go. Alrighty, I'm just waiting for Anderson to get in this booster seat. Oh, here he is. You think that you can, let's see, he's wearing Derek's hat right now, so yeah. Derek wanted Anderson to wear it, so he wanted to, so he's not wearing it right now, but he wants to. All right, Anderson is in his booster seat. Now we're gonna go. Second page. I'm so proud of you, Anderson. Well, Scott did want to read, but he didn't because he fell asleep. Yeah, I did. So I got bored myself and it's like, I fell asleep. Yeah, I got too bored and too tired, so I fell asleep. I thought it was gonna be a boring book. Boring book? It's not a boring book. It's British Columbia. Yeah, it's a little bit more. No, it's British Columbia. You should know all your facts, Scott. Yeah. Well, anyways, let's go into where the hockey meetings are. Are you ready to go, Anderson? Yeah. Yours is gonna be a little bit longer because I'll pick you up. Blake is gonna pick up Scott. Okay. Yes. All right. So Anderson, are you excited? Yeah. Of course, Anderson has his mask on because there's still COVID-19, so he has to wear a mask in the meeting. So good luck, Dad. I hope you get number 6. Me too. Alright, Scott, this is your room, okay? Okay. And, have fun. Okay. Alright, you listen to your coach, okay? Okay. Alright, bye. Bye. Alright guys, so now I'm back home after dropping off Scott and Anderson both to their hockey meetings. And now we're just gonna hang out until both of them come home. So let's get another look outside. Okay, so let's go outside to see how it sounds. Yeah, it's been raining when I was in the basement. Doesn't sound that too bad. Here's how the clouds look like. What's up guys? I just got home from my hockey meeting and it's kind of feeling weird without Anderson here because he's still at his hockey meeting, so hopefully he's back. So in about that time, it is around, I don't know what time is it around. It's almost closer to 8:30, and Anderson is still in his in his hockey meeting. It's about a little bit, and Blake just picked me up. So yeah, let's see how an update goes. All right, guys, I just arrived at the hockey place, and hopefully Anderson comes out. Here he is, Anderson. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness. Look, oh, what did you get? My jersey. Your jersey. Did you get the number 6? I hope so. What number did you get? Oh my goodness, no way. You wanted that number. You got it. My coach thought that I would like number 6. Oh my goodness. Anderson, good job. Yay, I'm so excited to play that. Oh, I bet you are. You excited? Yeah. All right, we're driving home. You got your book with you? Yeah. All right, that's good. You gonna read it? Maybe. Okay, good. I want you to see it, read it. And now Anderson fell asleep. Surprise, surprise. Oh, we're almost on our way home. Alright guys, we're back at home now, and Anderson is still asleep. So I'm gonna go wake him up. Anderson, wake up. We're home. There he is. Hi, buddy. Hi. You did not read your book. I know, I fell asleep. I got too tired, so I fell asleep. Oh, poor buddy. It's okay, you can read it when you get home. Yeah. All right, let's get in the door. Where is Scott? There he is. Hi. Hi. Anderson, did you get the number? The number 6? Well, let me show it to you. All right, so Anderson is showing Scott his jersey. Guess what, Scott? What? I got it. No way! I'm so proud of you, Anderson. Yeah. Are you happy that you got, are you happy for your brother to get that number? Yeah. Yeah. Are you happy? Yeah.
Grade 5, Scott.
Like it, love it, and gotta have it.